class demo, here we will go for conditional formatting. So my today video topic is adding color scales and data bars to a matrix. For conditional formatting, what we will do, we will go here cell elements. In few version of Power BI, you can it may appear by conditional formatting. So as we go to the conditional formatting, we will see option. There are two options: apply setting to series or sum of sales, sum of profit. Let's say consider we are going with sales, and we will put background color on. Now till now it was off. So as we are putting it on, we can see here, and we can change here some condition if we really want. We can see minimum value of sales is appearing by lighter blue, darker value, highest values by darker shade of blue. If I'm closing it, we can see Australia. Australia really have a larger, if we look closely, have large number of sales and large number of sales in all three categories. So that's why it's showing darker color. If we scroll down further, we can see there are few countries like France, like Germany, where the color shade is darker. So we can see in all three categories or in some specific categories there is a darker shade for more number of sales. So if I'm now uh, this causes each of sale column represent blue shade, and in few version it affects is here will be shown by option more advanced setting. So now putting it back to the off, now we are doing on this font color. If we are doing it on and we are going to the conditional formatting, we can see a lower shade is this and highest value is this. If we really want, we can change it, like lower values I am putting by blue, sorry, green, and highest value we are looking for red, then putting it okay. You can see there is a change in the appearance. All these are lower values. There are very less value which are darker, like United States. So we can differentiate the view of our data by using conditional formatting. Okay guys, so what we can do now, if I am putting it off again and I am going with some other condition, like I am putting data bars on. If data bars are on, for every sales section there is a data bar appear here now, and blue, darker blue I think, for, let's see here, positive bar and bar direction is left to right, and negative bar it's very lighter blue. Okay, if we want to change it, how we can show it? Like positive color I'm going to show by green, and negative color I really want to show by red. Then by clicking OK, you can see how appearance is changing. Okay, so we can see we can change our view in different way by different conditional formatting. If I am clicking it off, icons. We can see there are some icons are showing, few are triangle, few are so icon layout is left of data, alignment top, and style are these. If value is greater than or equal to the this value 33%, then this is the value. If value is greater than or equal to this one value 67%, then this is the symbol, and if greater than 67, this is the symbol. Okay, so you can see how beautifully we can change the view of our data, and we can differentiate it in different formatting. So if I am going to scroll down it further, see United States have high value, then the symbol is also changing. See here the symbol is changed for Australia. So this is how these conditional formatting works. If I'm going now, we can change to our conditional formatting to the another one, sum of profit. See if I'm applying data bars there, you can see yes. Now this is changed to the sum of profit, not to the sales. And even we can see font color on, you can see there is a change. Background color, so there is also a change. If we can see, I mean, if I am putting it to the this one color, I guess green, there is a very rare change, so for now I'm putting it off. And we can see that by small changes we can change the appearance of our data to give the meaningful insights of our data. So this is all about conditional formatting, and we will start our next demo from here only. For now I am turning it off. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.